Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Gazette. Now, a Gazette is a cocktail that has a brandy base and uses sweet vermouth, sweeten it up a little bit, and some sour to even it out. So we're going to combine our ingredients in our 16-ounce mixing glass after adding the ice. We're going to go 2 parts of brandy to 1 part of our sweet vermouth, or 2 ounces to 1 ounce. So we're going to start by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to get your 2-ounce pour. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get your ounce pour. We're going to top the glass off up to the rim with sour mix. Get your martini glass or cocktail glass ready. And then mix and shake your ingredients. And pour directly into your cocktail glass. And that is your Gazette, a perfect drink to sip while reading that paper.